Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese modal verbs. So there are two most commonly used Chinese modal verbs, 会 and 能. And these two Chinese modal verbs mean can. And in a sentence, they are put after the verb. So the structure is gonna be subject, 会 or 能, and then verb, and then object. And if we want to negate these modal verbs, we can add 不 in front of the modal verbs. And if we want to make a yes-no question, we can add a particle ma in the end of the sentence. Now let's talk about the difference between these two modal verbs. So we use 会 to express skills that you have to learn or to be trained in, and it also has the meaning of to know how to. And another difference is when we use 会, it can also be used for the future because it has the same meaning as be going to or will. And for 能, we use 能 to express natural ability, and it also has the same meaning as to be able to. And when we use 能, it is like asking for permission politely. So now let's learn about the first and the second meaning for 会. The first sentence is 我们都会游泳. 游泳 means swim or swimming. And as we all know, swimming is like a skill that we need to learn before, right? It's not like a natural ability. That's why we use 会 here. And in this sentence, we cannot use 能游泳. And 都 means all. So 我们都会游泳 means we all can swim. And the second meaning for 会 is to know how to, right? So 我们都会游泳, it also can be mean we all know how to swim. The next sentence is 你会说中文吗? 说中文 is speak in Chinese, right? And speak Chinese is like a skill that we need to learn. It's not a natural ability unless we are Chinese. So 你会说中文吗? It means can you speak in Chinese? It can also mean do you know how to speak in Chinese? And B answer 不好意思，我只会说一点。不好意思 means sorry. And we use 不好意思 when we feel embarrassed of something. So 不好意思, sorry. 只 means only. And 一点 means a little or a little bit. So 不好意思，我只会说一点. It means sorry, I only can speak a little of Chinese. And in these two sentences, you cannot change the 会 with 能 because speaking Chinese is an ability that we need to learn before. Now let's move on to the third meaning of 会, which is for future, and it means be going to or will. So the sentence is 今天会下雨吗? 下雨 means rain, and 今天 means today. So 今天会下雨吗? It means is it going to be raining today? And in this sentence, we cannot say 今天能下雨吗? because 能 cannot be used for future tense. Now, let's learn about the first and the second meaning of 能, which is natural ability and to be able to. So, the first sentence is 我今天能来上课. 上课 is class and 来 is to come, right? So 来上课 means to go to class or to attend. And 今天 means today. So 我今天能来上课 means I can go to class today. And 来上课 is a natural ability, right? We don't need to learn how to attend the class. So in this sentence we use 能, but if we use 会, if we say 我今天会来上课, it means I will go to class today. It's using the third meaning of 会. And when we use 我今天会来上课, the possibility that we come to the class is higher than if we say 我今天能来上课. Because 我今天能来上课, it only means like I am able to go to the class. But it's not like you're sure that you will go. But if we use 会 here, it means you will go to the class. Now let's move on to the second sentence. 我能和你一起去医院. 和 means with. 你 is you, right? And 一起 means together. And 去 means to go. And 医院 means hospital. So 我能和你一起去医院 means I can go with you to the hospital. And it also can be mean I am able to go with you to the hospital. And it's the same with the previous sentence. If we change 能 here with 会去医院, it means we'll go to the hospital. Next, let's talk about the third meaning of 能, which is asking for permission politely. So, the first sentence is 我能不能参加今天的聚会? And as we can see here, 能不能 is using the structure verb plus 不 plus verb, which is one of the structure to make yes/no question. And 参加 means to join. And 的 is a particle for possession. And it works similarly to the apostrophes s in English. So as we know, 今天 is today. So 今天的 it means today's. And 聚会 means gathering. So 我能不能参加今天的聚会? It means can I come or can I join the gathering today? And we can answer this question with 可以 if you allow this person to join the gathering for today. And if you don't allow this person to join the gathering, you can say 不能. And the last sentence is 我能在这里吃饭吗？在 it means to be like in, on, or at, and 这里 means here. 吃饭 it means eat, and 吗 is a particle for yes no question. So 我能在这里吃饭吗 it means can I eat here? Or may I eat here? And if you allow this person to eat in that place, you can say 可以. The same with the answer from the previous sentence. And if you don't allow this person to eat in that place, you can say 不能. So that's the difference between 会 and 能. And before we finish today's class, let's review some of the vocabularies that we just learned today. 指一起会能游泳下雨参加一点医院聚会 So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!